Recently, an article by Yu et al. 2025 was published in volume 164 of Research in Developmental Disabilities. The goal for this study was to uncover neurobiological distinctions between autism and ADHD using resting state fMRI to improve diagnostic accuracy and deepen understanding of the distinct brain functioning in autistic and ADHD profiles. The researchers found that autism shows elevated local neural activity and synchronization in regions tied to social cognition, motor processing, and visual perception. Unlike ADHD, which shows no significant differences in resting state metrics used. These distinct ALFF ReHo patterns support the view that ASD and ADHD are neurobiologically distinct disorders despite symptom overlap. The clinical significance of this is that while autism and ADHD have overlapping traits, making diagnosis difficult, especially in times of co-occurrence, ALFF and ReHo findings and show distinct neural patterns which can help differentiate between the two. Further, ALFF and ReHo findings can validate that autism and ADHD have neurobiological basis and are not just behavioral problems. The clinical significance of this is that counselors can explain to parents, your child's difficulties with social cues stem from different activity patterns in brain regions. Or, this isn't about laziness or defiance. There are measurable differences in how their brain synchronizes activity. This can also be translated to the client themselves in order to help them understand exactly what's going on with them. I generally do a lot of this in my work with autistic, undiagnosed autistic, or late diagnosed autistic clients. Findings of this study help the general public, especially families, educators, employers, and so on, better understand both autism and ADHD as specific ways in which the individual's brains function, and reinforces that these are neurobiologically distinct differences and not just behavioral issues. It also improves the support and services for autistic individuals and individuals with ADHD because it allows professionals to tailor therapies, education, and behavioral strategies more precisely and avoid misdiagnosis and mistreatment, but also allows families to get more effective support earlier on, which can improve the individual's quality of life. It can empower teachers, parents, and advocates to encourage empathy and practical accommodations.